This factory turns raw wood into precision-engineered safety matches, transforming untreated timber into a controlled, reliable source of fire used millions of times every day. The process begins with carefully selected softwood logs, chosen for straight grain structure and low resin content, ensuring predictable chemical absorption and consistent burning performance throughout the match's lifespan. Inside the mill, these logs are cut into uniform sections sized precisely for the machines that follow, allowing smooth mechanical handling and minimizing material waste during processing. The outer bark is removed completely, exposing clean, pale wood beneath, because even small contaminants can interfere with chemical treatments later in the production cycle. Debarked logs are mounted onto rotary peeling lathes, where controlled rotation against a fixed blade unrolls the wood into continuous veneer sheets with tightly regulated thickness. These veneer sheets are layered and stacked, allowing multiple sheets to be processed simultaneously, increasing speed while maintaining dimensional accuracy. High-speed slicing machines cut the stacked veneer lengthwise into thousands of narrow wooden splints, producing the basic structure of the matchstick. At this stage, the splints are untreated wood and require chemical protection to ensure safe behavior once ignited. The splints pass through a fire-retardant soaking process that prevents afterglow, ensuring the wood stops burning immediately once the flame is extinguished. Moisture is removed inside large rotating drying drums, where heat and motion fix the protective chemicals deep within the wood fibers. As the splints tumble, friction smooths rough edges and weak pieces break apart and are automatically removed, leaving only structurally sound matchsticks. Vibrating metal screens filter the dried splints by size because uniform length and thickness are critical for precise machine alignment. The finished splints collect in storage hoppers before entering automated alignment systems that position each stick vertically while exposing only the tip. These exposed tips are dipped into molten paraffin wax, which acts as a fuel bridge, allowing flame to transfer efficiently from the match head to the wooden body. Next, the waxed tips are coated in an ignition compound, forming the match head, responsible for controlled ignition through friction. The matches travel through vertical drying conveyors, where warm air hardens the chemical heads while maintaining perfect alignment. Mechanical pins release the finished matches into collection bins, completing the core manufacturing process. Packaging begins with printed cardboard trays that are folded, filled with a precise number of matches, and enclosed inside outer sleeves coated with a friction striking surface. Completed boxes are inspected, bundled, wrapped for moisture protection, and packed into shipping cartons for distribution. Before leaving the factory, a final ignition test confirms the success of the entire process, producing a clean, stable flame from a single controlled strike.
Strip clean, stack it. little fiber. Got it.
I'll pull the card.